Okay, so I took this apart. I thought it was the switch, and I destroyed it trying to figure this out, but come to find out it's actually not the switch. It was this pin broke off in the connector. So this is actually all sold as one part, but I still need this much of it here to make my other two start-stop buttons work. You know, going back to the old school. Stop on the left, start on the right. So I still need to make this work. So I got to find a pin to crimp on there and shove back up in there so that works properly.